Hi, we have discussed few topics in yesterday's session. So and also have given tasks to you people. Yes, I have given tasks to you yesterday's session that few people have not completed the installation setup and template creation and application structure, and few things you people left. Okay, Varinder, can you show your screen and can you show your things which you developed? I'll make you as a presenter, just hold on. So yeah, Varinder, I'm making you as a presenter. Can you share your screen then, so that we can see what you did in yesterday's session? The installation setup and the application structure which you created, please show us that so that we can review it. You guys are able to listen to me, right? My voice is audible, I guess. Please make it fast. We're still waiting for your response, each one, and there are left 2 people at that, so please complete as soon as possible. Okay. Where are the parsers and sidekick? Parsers and sidekick is not there, seems. I need a parsers and sidekick in your page. Yeah, no parsers, no sidekick. Yeah, you have not added a script right there. No passes and no side keep. You must add the passes and side keep. I should get it. Okay, have you configured the replication agent? Can you show me your replication agent? Replication agent, not test and target. Replication agent. I said replication agent, already explained. Where we configured replication agent? Have you started your publish server? Is it up and running? But page is not accessible. Why it's so? In publish server. It is test and target Varinder. It is not the one which we configured for the replication. Are you able to configure the replication agent or not? Please confirm it. Can you unmute yourself? Just I want to talk with you. Yeah, Varinder, can you explain it? Or just unmute it. Yeah. Now can you explain? Have you configured? What was the problem? Can you tell me the problem now? Varinder? Replication agent, not the page. Replication agent. Configuring the replication agent and publishing the page from author to the publish server. I have drawn the diagram. I have explained. It took around 20 to half an hour, 20 minutes, 30 minutes for the replication agent only. I'm not sure whether you configured or not. Just explain me the reason, whether you haven't understood or haven't spent the time or any need assistance. Can you tell me the Varinder? Varinder, you there? Hi Imran, Varinder is there or not? Was not speaking? Okay. Can you answer the question then? What was the problem in configuring the replication agent? There are rest of 3 people are waiting. Okay, where is the replication agent? Just chart it, just ping me. Replication agent. Yeah. Whose system is this?
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Yes, Harina, can you hear me?
May I know who is this?
This is Virender. This is
Oh, yep. Able to hear you?
yes.
Okay.
You're asking about a replicant. This is
Yeah, this is the author. I configure. This is the one I configured.
yes.
Okay. Explain. Correct.
So when I'm trying to test the connection, right? Just as you did.
Yes, and also published, right, the content. Some contents are geometrics. I have modified context.html and a toolbar, and I replicated, means under I activated the content to the publish server. Yes.
Yeah. So when I
Have you done it? The activation service now available means
So-
whether your publish server is up and running.
yes, the public service is running.
Where is it? It is not right. You are not able to access projects.html, right? It is empty scenes.
It's running, but when I'm trying to activate it, request is pending. It's showing it as a pending.
Yeah, but your publish server is not up, right? It is empty. You are getting in the browser console, the projects.html is empty. You see it?
Yes, I see it.
Yes, that's the reason. Means your publish server is not properly started, properly installed. Just delete the quick start, CRX quick start, and start it again.
But I did 2 times. It's the same thing.
Maybe some memory issue, or what is your RAM size?
RAM is my almost size is 6 GB. Was more than it. About 2.89 is empty.
Oh, it's fine then. I think startup is not proper, maybe. That's the reason your server is not up properly.
That's why I did tried everything, but getting same problem. This I will do again.
Okay, just fix it. Just fix it later after the session.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nicandro, can you show your screen?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear you clearly.
Okay, good. I've already have the AEM. I need today to be up to speed with yesterday and day after yesterday. I've already bought memory. I've already installed the memory, and I already have my CQ running. So I think I'll be able to be up to speed today.
Okay.
I haven't published yet. I know how to do it. I've taken notes, so don't worry about it.
Okay, hopefully you will complete it tomorrow, right?
No, today.
Today?
Yeah.
Good then, thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Grace, you there? Grace?
Hi, I'm here.
Yeah. Can you share your screen?
Yes.
Let us see. Just hold on. I'm not able to see your screen.
Can you see my screen?
Just hold on. We're not able yet.
Can you see my screen?
Not yet. I guess. Am I or rest of the people are also not able to see? I'm not able, but currently I'm not able to see your screen.
Can you send me the link again?
Just share it again.
How can I share? Can you send me the link again?
Okay, just wait. I'll make you the presenter again.
Okay.
Seems you disconnected from the system. Yeah, Shafiqul, any update from you? Have you done your things? Oh, sorry. Even Shafiqul got disconnected. Okay, guys, fine. It's time to process. I'm sharing my screen. I would like to continue the session today's topics. Are you able to see my screen? When you're able, just let me know when you're able to see my screen. Anyone is there? Yeah, able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Yes, I can.
I'm continuing the session. At the end of the session, I'll check all of your tasks which you have done yesterday. Just first, we'll have a session. Yesterday, we have done, I've explained you guys that activating the content from author to the publish server. And even we try to activate one page, that is context.html of geometric site from author to the publish server. And also we have viewed the replicated content in publish server successfully. Let me start my publish server. It's starting. Yeah, we have replicated the context.html from author to the publish server, and we were able to see the changes in publish server. And when I try to our custom page, our application page, which we have developed, I was not able. This my training application page. If you remember, I was not able to replicate this page. I was not able to get the output in publish server. Am I correct? If you remember, yesterday we have tried to replicate it from author to the publish server. Let's start the publish server. It's starting. Logging into the publish server, logged in successfully, and go to your page path. See, the page is empty. Again, I will replicate it. Page successfully activated. Fine. Page is getting activated, but it is not there. Right? So let's see under site admin, our in publish server, I am opening the site admin. This is publish server 4504 under site admin. If I replicate it successfully, this my training application should sit there. Yes, the page is available in 4504 as well, but the content is not able to display. Why it's so? Yesterday I explained. Can someone explain me why I'm not able to get this? If I activate the geometrics related stuff, I'm able to get it, but why not? I'm getting this page. If I try to activate it, any of answers are appreciated. Yeah, this is my page. I modified a lot of content. I modified a lot of content here in context.html. The same page, when I try to access in publish server, I was not able to get it. This is my publish server. See, this is the content I'm getting here. I modified all this stuff, I activated it, I was getting, but I'm not getting this. What the answers you pinned for this question? Not rendered. What? Not been rendered. What is your grace answer? No template, no component. Okay. Any more answers? Varinder, what not rendered? We are given some answer that is not rendered. What not been rendered? Yesterday I have drawn a diagram, full diagram, which explains everything. In yesterday's session, I have drawn a diagram that is file, this is the diagram I have drawn yesterday, if you remember. Am I correct? When it comes to our custom page, just I am trying to move only my training page.html page. But what about the things behind the scenes, the template components and these things? The app structure has not been moved. That's the reason I was not able to get the output of this. Okay, so what we have to do is moving content is one thing I need to explain you guys, that is these are the ways how we can move the application from author to the server. What the thing we have to do, this application we have to move, that is my training application, from author to the publish server. In the author we have application, we have developed one application. This is the application we have developed. So this application we have to move it to the publish server. Is that application is there in publish server 4504? See, under the app structure of the publish server 4504, it's not there. So no template and no page rendering components corresponding to that of our page, my training application page. So we have to move the content or application from author to the server. We have activate tree. These are the options. One is activate tree. Through activate tree and through, I'll ask these things tomorrow, through package deployment, from author to publish, through application replication process, directly replicating the application. Okay, these are things we will do. We will see. I may not be able to explain you all these things in a session, but few I'll try. At least one or two, or at least two I'll try. The last option is through application replication. As I said, we can replicate things from site admin, and through from the page, site admin, and through from the page activation, that is activate option in the sidekick. And you have one more option, that is, this is author server. Just remember, select the folder which you want to replicate it. What is your application? What is your folder? This is my training application. Your node, simply, we won't call it as a folder, your node. And see here, you have options of properties, access controls, means the users who has access controls to this node, and replication. This is very important. Here you have option for replicate. Replicate delete means deactivate. Replicate. See, from here I am replicating. I'll show you later what is this console will do. Very important concept, console. Now see, replicate. I'm clicking on this replicate button. See, last published. When it has been published, 11th. This is 2137. Means just now, 52. Is activated, the property is updated to true. Deactivated, not a deactivated. Any pending things? True, means few things are pending in the backend. Last replication action, activate. Let's say go to your publish server and this is your publish server. Here refresh it. You got your training application. Only what you got? Only that node you got it. Not the entire child structures, right? So this is one option, but this won't replicate the entire structure of the application. Only the particular node it will replicate it. Okay. For example, you want to replicate this node. Just select that node, whichever the node you want to replicate it. I want to replicate this. Go to this replication tab and replicate from here. Is activated, not yet activated. Just replicate it. Just replicate it and check what is being replicated. Only that node path only it will replicate. See, even you didn't get the JSP under my training homepage component. That is one process. Another, the best and preferred process, I said preferred, is these two. And most preferred is this one. Most times for instance, most times for quick application deployment, we rely on this concept. I will say later sessions activation tree also very easy thing. It's dirty, nothing. It's very easy, but this is preferred one. To introduce this concept, first I would like to introduce, for introducing the second point, I'm going to introduce before of the second point. CQ. Package creation in CQ. Before creation of the package, what is a package in CQ? This is the author server. In author server, we are in CRXDE, Content Repository Extreme Development Environment. And if you observe here, develop, package, package share. Sharing is nothing but package share. The second option is package. Open this one. Click on this. Automatically you will be moved to package creation interface. Here you have option for creating the package. These are the packages which are created and deployed in your CQ server. If you want to create a new package, select option for create new package. Give the package name. What is a package? Package is nothing but it is a bundle of JCR nodes. Whichever the nodes you want to group together and you want to pack them, just add the paths, absolute paths in the package of CQ. So when you create a package, you can build the package and download it, and you can upload that package into other environments of CQ. Either the other environment may be author or publish server. I said either it may be author or publish server. Package name is my training application. Package version I am giving is 1.0. Click OK. Now your package is created. That is, empty package is being created. This package is not having anything. It is empty package. Now click on edit to add your node paths. First is general. The second one, go to the second tab, that is filters. Here you can add your node structure. Means node paths. Whichever the nodes should sit in this package. Add. Here select the path of the node. Which node path we want? Apps, my training application. The powerful nature of this packaging is the thing whichever you select the node, that node and its child nodes also will be included in the package. Okay, I included this one, apps/mytrainingapplication. Automatically the child nodes of my training application also will be included in the package. If you want more than one node, still you are allowed to add more than one node path. If you want, you can add one more path. Like this, you can add n number of paths in this filters. Later on, we'll add more than one filter. Okay? Save it. Once you're done with your editing, save it. Say filters. Click on build. When you create a new package, you have to build the package. Means all the node structure, the added node structure will come into this package when you build it. Now download it. The thing is, either you can upload this package into publish server, or else you can replicate that package as well. You have two options. Okay, I have built and downloaded the package. Now go to the publish server 4504 and go to package manager. We call this console or as a package manager. Just select here upload. There we created and downloaded. We have package in our hand. Now upload that package into publish server. My publish server is running on 4504. Upload it, browse it, your local file system, downloads. This is my application, my training application. Just upload it. When you upload it, you have to make this application structure available in your publish server. For that, install it. I have installed successfully. In 472 milliseconds, it has been installed. What all the things has been installed in publish server from that package? See, you are clearly able to see each thing. My training application, under components, content, under components pages, my training page, my training.jsp, under that JCR content, everything has been installed. Just go to your CRXDA here, check whether it is been installed or not. See, your component, your template, everything have been deployed successfully in publish server. Now go to your page, publish server page. This is your page. Already we have replicated from author to the publish server. Now refresh your page. See, your template, your page rendering component, everything are available. So you are able to get the page in publisher. Hope you got it, what I have done. Have you understood things? Guys, you got it right? What I have done now? Why we didn't get Why we didn't get that previously? There was no application structure available in publish server. Now it is available. Am I correct? So I am able to get the output of my page. Perfect. Published our project successfully. And one more option I'll be going to explain you that my project I have moved successfully. Fine, boss. Just to get the knowledge on CQ, I would like to explain you one thing. I have opened the page. That is my training homepage.jsp. I am adding some text in my component, not in my page. In my component, I am adding some text. First page. Okay. Now this is very crucial part. I want answer from you people. Okay. This is author part. Just listen to the things or else observe the thing clearly. Hello, welcome to Adobe CQ5. Up to here the bold text it was. Now I added, this is first page text. In my training, homepage.jsp means that is my template. Just refresh your page in author 4502. Oh, shut up. Open that in Firefox. The sidekick sometimes it will not move. It's a big headache with sidekick. See, this is the text I added. I got the output. Okay, guys. Now go to Chrome. I expanded. I have activated my page successfully. Observe, I have activated the page successfully. 4502. Now, if I refresh, will I get the text here or not? Will I get the text here or not? Answers. I'm expecting the answers. Any more? Okay, Grace said that I'll get the text here. Varinder also said that I'll get that text here. Any more answers? Any more answers? Nicandro and Shafiqul. Is Shafiqul there? He's not been active these days, seems. Shafiqul? Not there. Okay. Any more guesses? Nicandro? What's your guess? Are you there, Nicandro? Oh, you're not there. Okay, fine. Let me refresh. I refreshed it. I didn't get the text. Why it's so? This is what the depth things you have to understand. You have to understand the things clearly here itself. Just I activated the content page. Okay, I have activated the content page, not the component, right? Okay. I'll explain you here. I'm not sure why you didn't get. See, this is the image yesterday I have explained you. On top of the apps, your site structure will sit. Okay. Now I'll draw one diagram. Please observe carefully. This may give you a little bit idea. It has to give you. Otherwise, very difficult for you people to understand in later things, in later sessions. Okay, this is my training application where set. Okay, this is under where it is happening, apps. Okay, but one thing you need, and another thing is this is author and this is publish server. Three. And on top of this, okay guys, please remember, on top of this app structure, site structure will sit. Site and application structure and application both are different. Website and application both are different. Means website. This is website. Which website? Assume it is a My Training website. Here your page structure will sit. Your pages will sit. This is website. This is website we started creating. Or else best example is Geometrics demo site. This is website. But CRXD is application structure. Application you develop here. Components, templates and script files like servlets JSPs. Here JSP files and servlets and servlet configuration, everything will sit in application. By using this application, by using these components, templates, you do create here pages. N number of pages you will create it. If you observe, this is the template, Geometrics content page. This is same template from here to here. 6 pages uses the same template, but only one template. You develop the template only one time, but reuse it the same template for more than one page. This template is sitting where? Under apps, Geometrics, templates. Okay. If you modify anything in component level, I mean to say, even if you published this, guys, this page is sitting where? In website structure, right? In website, this contacts page. Or else this our training page is sitting in our website structure under a website console. Under site admin simply. We call this console as a site admin and website console. If you modify in component level, where we modified the things? We have modified the things in component level. Means here we modified it. But we try to move this page from this page from here to here. Not the application, not the component. You modified component and but you moved the See, you modified in component level, but you try to replicate the page. But how you will get the output in the page? You will not get at all. Application and content both are different. This is content. Boss, this is content, not the application. This is website. By using the application, we develop the website. So you have to move this page from author to the publish server. So select the node. As I said in earlier sessions, everything will be treated as a node, even JSP file also. Select your JSP file which you modified. I modified my training homepage.jsp. Just replicate it. Again replicate it. As I said in today's session, that is, if you want to move only one node, the best option is to use select the particular node and use the replication tab, and use replicate button. Now refresh. Before getting anything, just I move to publish server. Before you want to get any updated thing in any repository, just refresh it. See, I got this text. Now go to your page in publish server, refresh it. Hope you understood now. Application and website both are different. But website structure uses the application. This website structure uses this application framework. Without this application, there is no website. Okay, I got this output. Now you understood what is these things. And today I'll introduce you one concept, that applying a design to our website. What is a design? Design is nothing but decoration. What is decoration? Decoration is nothing but CSS. CSS means UI design aspects. Applying UI design aspects to your website, that we will see. These are all the raw concepts I am explaining. Once I explain the things which are required to develop a site, we will start one site. That site is, this is what our site. I may not be able to explain you end to end of the site complete. At least I'll introduce the important concepts and important things, how to develop our web pages in CQ. This is what the page I am planning to develop. Already I got the HTML from one source. This is a very beautiful site. Seems today only I got it. Today only I decided that I want to explain this for you people. Few concepts I'll explain at least. I may not be able to complete all these things. If I complete all these things, it seems we might have completed one project itself. Not possible. So we'll try to do few things in this site. Homes, features, there is a pages, features, credits. We'll develop these things. This is drop down, entire site structure, you will get it. And even I'll introduce you people that language based website also. For example, if you see this website, the site we rolled out recently, this is a gaming site completely, very big site. We have developed site in Grace. You ping something. Can we have the source code of the website? Not yet developed. Which website you want? This IGT Games. Grace, which source code you want? IGT Games. It's not possible because it is a completely. Do we do some demo projects? Yes, I will share, but not today. I'll share it later. Okay. Source code not yet started, right? once we start the development, I'll share it. See, we develop a site in a different languages. For example, this international English and Canada. On selection of the drop down, you will be moved to the Canadian site, Portal Canada. Result text. This is EN. This is Canada. Canadian English. This is in US. See, you will be moving to different path. That's how we will develop. Here, this is static page. I got it from UI people. This is static page. But we'll make it as a dynamic, this dropdown. When you select this D, Dutch, you will be moved to German, likewise. And login page. Okay. And even if I get a time, I'll introduce social integration, that I'll integrate a Twitter component, a Twitter feed with our website. Even this website is having Twitter feed, but not sure. Let me check it. This is the vast website. I'm not sure who developed in my team, but someone made. Yes. You able to see Twitter feed here? The latest Twitter feed, you will get it here. Okay. Today, if you tweet something, this world they have updated, but if you update, if you tweet something today itself, you will get the latest one here. So we'll integrate, if possible, we'll integrate with the Twitter feed as well. Twitter component also, we'll develop it. Timing, we'll start these things tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Just today, one more topic is there. It will take a lot of time, but still I want to complete it today only. I want to apply a site, CSS Design to our website. How we can apply? There is a process in CQ to apply a design structure to your website. Just in high level, I'll explain you. Go to etc. Under etc, you will have a folder designs. Under designs, you can create your design structure for your application. That is CSS Design. etc design, select etc designs, right click, create a folder, that is my training application. Just normal folder, create it, save it. On top of my training application, right click, select my training application, right click, create node. Very important. Now new concept, new thing you're getting. Create node. What the node name? Anything you can give, but by naming convention we used to give client libs. The node type must be CQ:. When you type something, if you are aware about a node, automatically this drop-down will show you the suggestions. Type must be client library folder. Created. Save it. This is a, my training application. I forgot. Yeah, this is the my training application. Go to properties of it, empty : folder, and select client libs. Primary type is CQ: client library folder. Add few properties, that is categories. Categories. Categories is, I want to give category name as CQ dot my training application, and I want this data type must be array type. So if it is multiple, already I introduced you, JCR supports the thing which does not supported by database management systems and file systems, that is multi-valued properties. Now I am creating a multi-valued property. Click on multi and add it. If you want, you can add multiple values for it. I don't want, I want only one value. Click on OK. Save it. You're able to see categories is type of array, string array, multi-valued. If you want, you can give multiple values by adding plus plus plus. And next, one more property I want to add, dependencies. Dependencies. Is your client library depending on any other client library? Yes, my client library is depending. That is on CQ.widgets. Very important, the CQ.widgets. CQ.widgets is a category. This is the category which refers to all CQ inbuilt or out of the box JS files. Okay. So I'm depending on that. Make it multi and add it. Save it. And create now folder for JavaScript under client libs only, and folder for CSS. And this is here one more thing you need to create. For CSS, let's say I have multiple CSS files. To include all those CSS, you need to create css.txt. And for same JS also, I'm speeding up the things. You have to follow a little bit fast. I can't go like in initial sessions because a lot of concepts are there. js.txt. If you have more than one JS files, all those JS files you can include under JS folder, and same you have to include in js.txt. This is the convention, css.txt. By default you have to create like this only, no other option. For example, if you come here, geometrics, client libs, see css.txt and js.txt. See config.js likewise. The same thing we will do here as well. Come back to our application and client libs, under that JS and CSS. Now I want to create one CSS file, that is I am creating under CSS folder. Observe it. Mouse over, create file, that is training application 1.css. I created one CSS file. In that CSS file, I want to add one CSS that is specific to h1 tag. Hope you know a little bit about defining CSS. If you are not aware, also not a problem. It is not our job. Anyway, UI people will be there. So, color is red. I applied, assume that I have developed and I have added in CSS file. Refresh your page. See, still CSS not applied. To get that CSS applied to your page or else your application, you have to add it to css.txt. I opened css.txt. I will add it. I have added. Save it and apply it. Still it's not getting applied. What the reason? Your css.txt is under client libs, but your CSS file is under CSS folder. So you have to be inside a CSS folder. You have to mention what is your base directory for all your CSS. Hash base equals to CSS is a folder. Save it. Now refresh it. Still your h1 text, the text which is in between h1 tag is not in red. Why so? What the confusion? We developed a small CSS file and added some CSS classes, but still I am not getting. Because here you have to include your client libraries. These things we call it as a client libraries. You have to include those client libraries in your component. How you will include? You have one tag, that is CQ : include client library. You have to include your client libraries in your component using CQ : include client library tag. This is the tag. What is your client library name then? Your client library name you have given as a categories. Categories you have given as a CQ.myTrainingApplication. Give your category here. Now save it. Now refresh the project. Let's see whether we will get or not. Still you didn't get it. Why? Let's analyze. Have we done any mistake? Yes, we have done. Wrongly I have given categories, right? Yeah. CQ.myTrainingApplication is a category. Now refresh it. See, it's being applied. The CSS design is being applied to your website, entire website. See, the things whichever you want, just place it here and apply it to your website. This is what we develop. This is how we develop a client library. How we have developed client libraries? First you have to go to etc. You have to select designs. Under designs, create your application specific folder. That is, I created my training application. Under that, create a node of type CQ : client library folder. And add categories. Categories is nothing but a name which you are giving for your client libraries. And dependencies. Is your client library depending on any other client library? That is another JS and CSS. Yes, depending. That's the reason I use dependencies. That is CQ.widgets. If it is depending, as of now we are not depending on any inbuilt libraries. You can delete it if you want. If you want to delete any property, select that property right click, delete it. When you delete it, save it. No problem, we will get our red color as it is because we are not depending on any out of the box libraries. So just give categories, that is cq.mytraining. Under that, create a folder for CSS. Create css.txt file which is identified by the CQ server. CQ WCM execution engine first checks the css.txt and js.txt files under client libraries, and it includes only which are available in css.txt. If you placed here 10 files under CSS folder, but you included only one file under css.txt, that only one file will be considered. Okay, rest of the files will be ignored, even though you develop 9 extra CSS files. Let's say, assume I'm deleting it. I have deleted CSS file name from css.txt. Refresh it. You didn't get the red color applied, but still your CSS are there only. I have not erased, or else I have not removed it. The thing what I did is just the file name I have excluded from css.txt. That's the reason I'm not getting. So 100 files, even though you create, those are not useful until and unless you include in css.txt. Include your CS file in css.txt. Then only your CSS will get applied, either CSS or JS. See, it got applied when I included. When it comes to the JS also, the same thing will apply. You place or you create your number of JS files, but all the JS files you have to include it here. Otherwise, no use. Okay. So JS file, create a JS folder. Under that, place JS folders if you have any, and create js.txt and place all your JS file names, which include your JS file names in js.txt. All those will get applied to your application structure. Thank you guys. Just tomorrow before coming to the session, please develop client libraries and CSS and apply. The task what I will be giving is, please develop a title, place in your component title with H4 or H5, and the title and text, paragraph text should contain. Likewise, I'll explain you one thing. See, like this. Your page should contain, means the component should contain this title and this text. This title must be red color and this text must be green color. Okay, this text must be here. This text must be green color and this title must be red color. So for this title, please use H3 or H4 or hashtag, whatever hashtag you want. And for this text color, use italic tag. I'm not sure whether you are aware or not. I tag, and make that I tag text as a green and this text as a red. You must develop that through client libraries development only. Okay, through client libraries development only. Got right? And apply that client libraries in your component like this. And when you apply the client libraries, you will get these things in your project. See, I'm activating it. I have modified the title to red color. I'm activating it. In the backend, page is activated successfully. And refresh your page. Still, the text is black color because this is etc is under application structure, right? We have not placed our application structure in publish server. If you refresh it under etc, under designs, 4504, there is no my training application client library folder which has been developed. For that, you need to move it from author 4502 to publish server. So tomorrow, develop the client libs, apply the client libs to your site, and the same color or text, I must be able to get it here. So you have to do some analysis and some things. So you have to move the application structure from author to the publisher, or then only you will get it right here. So hope you understood the scenario. Just complete it. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys. Thank you. Hope you all will do it. Yeah, Imran, you there?
Yeah. Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, people left. Yeah, you can tell me now.
So the people are left, right?
Yeah, they are left because I have dismissed from here and from the session. Session is in my control, right?
Okay. So just want to talk to you and understand about the training. So all these guys they are doing well. These 4 guys.
Yeah, fine, but fine. Grace is promptly doing the things immediately. But other things I assign just doing good. Grace is doing good.
I believe you give some assignment on Saturday or Sunday, right? Or the weekend?
Yeah, I have given. And today also I have given. Yesterday I have given. Nikando told that even he installed because his RAM is very slow, something like it. So he is upgrading his RAM, like some story he told. Okay, fine. He's fine, but he's able to understand the concepts. Varinder also fine. Grace is doing well.
What do you think about Shafiq?
Shafiq even is not staying in continuously in the session only, just 20 minutes, or he's coming and leaving the session.
Oh, today also he came, right? And then he left.
Yeah, he left. Just around 20 minutes only he stayed. By the time I was asking about the previous tasks, which they have completed, just he left it, but not sure whether he completed or not. Even he is not available to make questions.
I'll talk to him.
Yesterday only. Yesterday also.
I'll talk to him. And you know what, Harinath, in about a day or two, if you could send me, probably like I can talk to Divya about it. We need their feedback on their assignments, where they're lagging behind, so that I can feed them with that feedback and will make them prepare accordingly.
Yeah, tomorrow I'll give it. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Anytime, sir. As per your convenient time, you can give me tomorrow so that I can talk to them and make them up to the speed.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and one more thing, this Shafiq and everyone like Grace, even this Varinder, now that requested, they are asking for videos so that they can prepare.
Already I shared with them.
You did already?
Yeah, already I shared with Divya. Yesterday only. When
okay.
Completed, just I shared with Divya, so she would share which in turn. I think she might have shared with them, but not sure. Yesterday itself, 24 hours back only I shared it.
I'll talk to her. Maybe okay. If she has to share, she will share it to us only. Then I can share with her.
Okay, if they are sharing today's session, our discussion will be in the end of the session. Just remove this discussion and you can share with them.
Oh,
okay?
Even this discussion is also recorded?
Yeah, maybe recording actually.
Okay, then we'll have to delete this session.
That's the reason
Okay.
it takes about this today's session, okay?
Oh yeah, I'll make sure that. Yep.
Video cutters, right? Video cutter softwares are
Yeah,
there.
yeah,
Just
yeah.
remove it
Yeah.
and you can share with them.
I'll
Not
do
a
that.
problem.
I'll do that. Thank you. Thanks, Arinath.
Okay, next, any more things actually, what the project you people will be getting? Just I want to know, that's it.
About Adobe.
Yeah, actually, I'm planning to start the project from day after tomorrow or in 2 days with these people actually. Already I have a few templates I got. In the training itself, I want to start certain projects so that they can understand the things easily. Here you able to see my
Yeah,
screen?
you can. Yeah, oh, hold on. Hold on. Let me just. Yep, I can see that.
This is the templates sample project.
Okay.
It's a little bit good, not little bit, it's very good. Actually, your perspective, everything. So in CQ, I'll start developing this and I'll give you ideas about to them so that I'll make them to work on this.
Will be
Actually,
good,
this is the
sir.
first time in
Because,
my training sessions I started giving project. People are asking
wow,
actually.
this will really help. Yeah.
I started a project also. Just today only I planned it. My friend is there who is working on HTML.
Okay.
So even I forced him to get the HTML. So I got the HTML templates.
Okay.
So I'll move this into
Good, good.
CQ.
So this project that you're assigning today or tomorrow or day after, so this project till the class, this till the session where what you taught, right? So what you will be teach, so till that date only. It's not like entire course project, correct?
No, this is a little bit big, but it will take time. So my session
Yeah,
will
you
start.
have to.
So my session will be completely practical. So every concept I link with this project and I'll continue this project. That's the reason
That's
I'll be.
all we need, sir. That's all we need. Because these guys, you know what, they are flying from their locations to our headquarters in Alpharetta.
Okay.
So we are accommodating them. So they will be joining from 22nd, 23rd. So officially from 25th to February 6th, they will be in our guest house. We'll our CEO, everyone will be there. So they'll be like, at that time we thought of like, giving them the real project. But you can start it from now. Once they are on site, their job is to just like, work on this project work, resume updation, mock interviews, and the same time they'll start taking the client calls. So there's 2 weeks that we are accommodating them. They are flying from 21st, 22nd, so 25th onwards actually. The 2 weeks officially they'll be in our country.
Basically, you're running a company or some recruitmenting firm?
No, we actually both. We have a development center and as well as a consulting. When we do consulting, this is our bread and butter. We hire people from Canada and, we train them, we deploy them to our clients in US on the
Okay,
same
US.
technology.
Okay, they must have visa, right then?
Yeah, we are sponsoring the visas, right? Canadians, TN visas.
Okay, Canadian visas. Okay, how much monthly you will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
paying the candidate?
Monthly, I think the session is not good to answer that.
Okay, just now,
They are
just
on a salary basis.
hourly based, how much is CQ's cost?
No, no,
Actually, I'm
no.
working with a lot of people. That's the reason I know the charges in US, different consultancies, what they are paying. $70, $80 in hand. That's the reason. Just want to know, that's it. If
No, they are
you,
on salary. They are on different deal.
okay,
Yeah, they are on salary. See, we are employer, right? Right from their visa sponsor to the benefits and everything. That's a different. Sorry, they are not on hourly basis, so they are a full-time employee of Sister.
okay. Good,
They are
great,
on
great.
salaried, yeah.
Okay, the further then we will get candidates from your end, I think.
Oh yeah, see, we just started now. I mean, like Adobe CQ5 we started, but this training and deployment is paid since like 8 years on different technologies. So this
Okay,
year we have like many trainings in schedule. So that's what Adobe CQ5 we have like six batches on a list like 5 batches in this year. So that's what like this is the first batch. So we are way concerned about this batch. Once it gets success, once it gets clicked, then you have back-to-back Adobe CQ5 batches. Yeah, next
okay.
batch we are already started hiring. The next batch is nothing less than 7 to 8 people in a batch.
Next batch,
Yeah, and that we are planning in March.
March. Okay, great, great,
Yeah.
great.
So will you be
Okay,
available
even-
in March?
Huh?
Yeah. You will be free, right, in March to train my again employees? Yeah.
Sure. And also, as I said, that we do proxy as well. And
Yeah.
if they are not able to take up the interviews, I'll do. And if projects, any tough related tasks are there, you can send to India as well. We will do it.
Sure. We'll do
And
it.
we'll assist these people also.
Sure. We'll do that.
Okay, Imran.
You just like started, right? You will have many work in
Yeah.
project assignment and everything. Yeah.
Even I'm planning to travel to Canada or US, but let's see the days how they will.
Let's see. Yeah, that's all got.
Okay. Anything, Imran?
I think that's all I want to talk. So I'll talk to the trainers and get them up to the speed. And thanks for sharing the videos. I'll talk to them now.
Okay, even today a little bit harsh I behaved, little bit, not much, because if they haven't completed yesterday, I have given time. The day before yesterday's class, they should complete yesterday, but at least I have given yesterday time. Even if they should complete, they should come up with the completion today, right? Few not yet, but a little bit harsh I behaved. Otherwise, things won't work out. Correct, right?
Yeah, you're right. See, you know what? If they don't finish the work, just let me know. Ask DVR, can send, just keep me in loop so that I'll talk to them. Because, we are the employers, so we own them. I'll talk to them. See, I need to know when you're giving assignment and the deadline. And then, we'll see why they're not able to do it. What the reason? Are they facing some, difficulties in preparing the documents or finishing the, assignment? If not the other reason, then we'll figure it out that. But they have to do it. They have to do it. This job is their job.
Yeah, their job, right?
Yeah.
Sure, I'll make sure that the things will go in the right direction, and also I'll make them to work with the tasks I have given. If not done, then I'll update you. Surely, without failure, I'll update you. Or else, if I'm not able to reach you, then I'll update the Divya. Divya, which in turn will update you.
Absolutely. That'll be good.
Okay. Any questions, Imran?
I'm done, sir. I'm done. Thank you.
Thank you. Just take care about today's video session. Just cut it before sharing with them.
I'll cut this. Yes, I'll do that.
Thank you, Imran. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Thanks.